This is another picture. I should show a couple more pictures. I'll just play this bit of film for a bit, so you can see what I see. As I say, this interesting objects. It wasn't out last night on the 19th. I'm going to look for it tonight on the 20th. Couldn't see it last night. I spent an hour from 9:30 as well last night. Because when I've captured it before, it was in sort of the same time bracket. I captured it in 2018, 2019 and 2020. The links will be in the description. As you see, there's two objects there, and the moon are moving together. I'll show a sped up bit in a minute, just quickly before the end of the video. So anyway, there's definitely something in the solar system that NASA hasn't told us about, or have they? It's been around for 4 years, fourth year, 18. Fourth year being around. Is it getting closer to Earth, I wonder, on its orbit? I wonder why it's in 2 bits now, when the past 3 years I've got it, it's only seen 1. Anyway, let's come.